Reema Bengali Cuisine brings you the authentic taste of Bengal right here in Littlehampton. With a warm and welcoming atmosphere, our chefs craft every dish using carefully selected spices and fresh ingredients, delivering rich, aromatic flavors that make Bengali cuisine truly special. Proudly established in 1991, Reema has grown into a local favorite. Recently recognized with the Best Restaurant of the Year 2024 award at the Curry Life Awards. Whether you are joining us for a family meal, a celebration, or a quiet dinner, we promise an unforgettable dining experience filled with flavor and hospitality. Explore our menu and book your table today at www.reemabengalisuisine.com.
Running a restaurant? Your food deserves the spotlight. From clicks to customers, we've got you covered. Currywalla Media. Let's make your food famous.